Farewell to oxygen on planet Earth. NASA scientists predict Earth's atmosphere will lose its ability to sustain life. A grim look into the future of Earth's atmosphere and the collapse of photosynthesis. In a startling revelation, NASA scientists have predicted that Earth's atmosphere may one day lose its ability to sustain life as we know it. This scenario, which could unfold over the next billion years, suggests that the very mechanism that allows life to thrive, photosynthesis, will collapse as carbon dioxide sea levels plummet. This shift could lead to a near-total depletion of oxygen, fundamentally altering the planet's capacity to support complex organisms. The science behind the prediction. The research, led by climate scientists and astrobiologists, explores how long Earth's current oxygen-rich atmosphere can persist. According to their findings, the planet's carbon cycle, driven largely by volcanic activity and the weathering of rocks, will gradually diminish atmospheric CO levels. As the Sun continues to age, its luminosity increases, accelerating chemical reactions that draw CO out of the atmosphere. Photosynthesis, the process through which plants and algae produce oxygen by converting sunlight and CO into energy, relies on a minimum threshold of carbon dioxide to function. Once atmospheric CO levels drop below this critical point, photosynthetic organisms will no longer be able to survive. This collapse would trigger a domino effect, eradicating most oxygen-dependent life forms, a timeline for change. Although this shift is predicted to occur over an extended timescale ranging from 500 million to a billion years, the implications are profound. Earth's oxygenated atmosphere, which emerged around 2.4 billion years ago during the Great Oxidation Event, has been the cornerstone of biological diversity. The loss of oxygen would mark the end of this era, pushing Earth back into an anoxic state reminiscent of its primordial history. We're witnessing, at least in theory, the full life cycle of a habitable world, explained Dr. Marcus Baines, a NASA astrobiologist. The rise and fall of atmospheric oxygen is tied directly to the dynamics of our Sun and the geological processes beneath our feet. Consequences for life. Without photosynthesis, terrestrial and marine ecosystems would collapse, leading to massive die-offs of plant life, marine algae, and eventually animals. The only survivors might be anaerobic organisms that do not require oxygen for survival. These extremophiles would likely thrive in the absence of oxygen, just as they did before the Great Oxidation Event.